Your brain has a hidden kill switch, and scientists just found out how to flip it.
Should not. Hidden deep in your hypothalamus is a cluster of neurons that should not exist. It's a biological glitch.
When triggered by a specific frequency, these cells stop every other bodily function instantly.
It's like the universe's way of hitting the reset button on your consciousness.
The data was buried for years because it proves we are more programmable than we think.
Which makes you wonder, who else knows that